Hello and welcome back to Two Brummies and a Backpack. Today it's just one Brummie and a child. We are at Disneyland Paris and we are staying at the Hotel Cheyenne. I think that's how you pronounce it, correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm going to show you around the hotel complex so you can see for yourself what it's like. As you walk in, you've got this lovely little carriage here that you can take some nice photos in front of. And as you come forward here, you have got reception. If you check in online before you come here, you literally have to do nothing. They give you your key and then they text you when your room's ready, so you don't have to come back at the park in the middle of the day. We're going to walk down here and show you where we stored our luggage when we got here. You arrive here on the early morning flight, you can just pop your baggage in here, get your key from reception and go off into the Disney park without having to waste any time at all. We didn't have to go to reception over here because we just went to this one in front, and this is the desk where you take the magic passes from and your hotel key. You've got the Red Garter Saloon over there and the Chuck Wagon Cafe over there. So that is the restaurant and the bar. Cool cups and mugs, €18. And if you're like a ceramic enthusiast, you can get your Disney kitchen gear. Starbucks coffee, food and stuff in here, just your regular Starbucks. So walk with me around Cheyenne. So this place is proper cool. It looks like a Wild West town. Like all of the little hotels have got names like Blacksmith and they look like old Wild West buildings. I feel like I'm in Back to the Future 3. There's the bank. How cool is that? The bank is actually the Starbucks. And we've got the sheriff's office, which if you carry on being bad judge, you go to the sheriff's office. Ooh, what have we here, viewers?
What do we have here?
Let's go and have a little look. This is Remy's vegetable garden. For those that don't know who Remy is the chef in Ratatouille. Don't quite know if they've got anything of interest growing in January. Probably not.
No,
but
some greens on the light.
They're probably just getting these beds ready for the year ahead. Those of you that are driving here from the airport, this place has a massive car park, so you won't have any problems parking your car at all, which is great. So yeah, it's quite rustic in here. It's a bit battered, a bit warm, but it does the job. I'll get to the price of this hotel at the end. Nice theming on point for the Toy Story Hotel. And we are in room 2091. Here's the front door where I've just come in. So here at the top, we've got extra pillows for the bed and a nice large wardrobe for storage. It's not a smart TV, unfortunately. There's a nice little coffee break station where we've got some Earl Grey tea and some sugar. The coffee machine, also a kettle which is very clean. We've also got these hangers here to hang up coats, which is very useful. They dry out nicely. It has been very wet at Disneyland Paris this week, so those hangers have been quite useful. This here is an interconnecting door. Obviously it's locked because we haven't got the next room, but if you're a family and you want 2 rooms together, I'm assuming that if you ask them, they'll put you in one of these rooms. What I did find weird is they put the teacups in this like plastic container, like plastic film. They didn't do that with the water cups. I'm not quite sure what that's all about. Very cool lamp, which I would really like at home. The cowboy boot. A mirror. And the view out of the room is of the allotment garden, the Remy allotment garden. And here's the bathroom. Pretty standard for a bathroom. There's one sink. You've got 3 paper cups. Box of tissues. With some good Toy Story theming on there. There were 4 towels up there, but we've obviously used them because we're checking out shortly. A bin. And then you've got a bath and a shower. They provide some Toy Story themed shower gel and also some shampoo and conditioner. Water pressure's quite good on the shower, it's nice and hot. Got this themed Toy Story shower curtain. And you could also have a bath if you wanted to. There's a hairdryer. I didn't think it'd be very powerful, but it actually dried my hair okay this morning. So this room's actually really, really nice. We've had a great stay in here. It's been really comfortable, no problems with anything at all. So the price of this hotel for 4 full days in the park and 3 nights was £809 for the 3 of us. So I think that's pretty good. So if you're looking for a cheaper holiday to Disneyland Paris, I would definitely consider this hotel, especially if you've got little ones, because the outside theming is so cool. There's nothing not to like. We will definitely be back next year. Thanks for watching. See you soon.